What's going on, everyone? Welcome to the Journey to Seven Figure CRM training. I'm excited to get going for you guys. One quick step I want to touch on before we dive into some of these training videos in the later series here is just an initial setup process. Now, one thing that we do want to make sure our clients all do, and it's just a crucial step that really helps us in moving forward, is actually going right when you log in. We're going to give you the link. We're going to give you the email to log into with, as well as your password. And one of the first things I want you guys to come and do is come out down here to settings. Now in the settings menu, you'll see a bunch of different options up here, and we want to select integrations. Now what we want to do here is if you select connect on this Google account right here, what this does is this is going to sync your Gmail calendar of your choice. When you hit connect, you're going to be able to choose whichever Gmail calendar you want, and that's going to actually sync to the CRM's calendar. This is so crucial for booking appointments, for notifications, for different things like that. So this is one of the first steps we want to share with you guys. Again, it's settings, integrations, click connect here, choose the Gmail account you want, and then hit accept. There will be a small pop-up window that pops up at the end asking for a business location. You can go ahead and just hit close on that. You don't need to handle that at all. And then once you finish that off, you should see your Google Gmail account here with the integration and the word connected, and it'll be in green. So there's one quick step we want you guys to take care of in setting up. Aside from that, we'll jump right into it in these next few videos here in terms of getting everything running, how to navigate through the CRM, and how to make the most out of every different feature that we have available for you. Look forward to sharing it with you guys, and we'll see you on the next video.